Are you tired of missing out on shows and movies because they're not available in your country? Many people don't know that using a VPN can unlock all the content on Netflix no matter where you are. So how do you do it? First, you're going to pick a great VPN service like ExpressVPN or NordVPN. These will help you to change your location and access Netflix content from different countries. Next, download and install your VPN on your device. It's super easy. So just follow the instructions and you're good to go. All right? Now, then you're going to have to connect a server in your country, in a country where the show that you want to watch is available in. So for example, if you want to watch a show only available in the UK, you're going to connect to a UK server. So now you're going to open Netflix, you see how the content has changed, you're going to have access to shows and movies from all around the world, all right? So don't forget to always clear your cookies and cache. Why? Because you want to avoid any problems loading Netflix, okay? Now, if you're excited to unlock more Netflix content, like this video, comment your favorite show, subscribe for more tips. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.